James Hardieplank siding is a very unique product and one that I love. It was invented in the mid-1980s and brought to the United States kind of as an answer to all of the wood-based fiber board type sidings. And so because St. Louis specifically, we have so many different weather changes throughout the year that all of your wood-based and pressed paper type sidings would just fail. So James Hardie siding is a breath of fresh air because it has all the great look of wood siding without all the drawbacks that come with the maintenance and the upkeep of it. So James Hardie siding, in simplified terms, is Portland cement, silica, wood fibers, and water. And then there's several secret sauces that go into it that give it its durability, and also the ability to withstand the climate that we have. So James Hardie engineers their product for climate. There's 2 different zones in the United States. St. Louis happens to be in the northern region, which means it has additives in it that help against those freeze-thaw cycles, which is huge for us because you figure throughout the wintertime, we probably have 100 or more days of freeze-thaw temperature swings. And then you look at the spring and summer with all the humidity and moisture content in the air. James Hardie siding products are really well designed for moisture management. So that's one of the reasons why I highly recommend it to almost all of our clients is because I've seen the damage that can happen with other siding products when you go to remove it and all of the mold growth and the water damage that can happen in the home. So just by its chemical makeup and the way that James Hardie siding is created and designed, it's a perfect fit for our St. Louis climate. When you're looking at James Hardie siding for your home, some of the things to think about in terms of cost is the installation component of it. So the product itself really isn't that much more expensive than maybe say a vinyl siding product. But where it differs is that James Hardie requires a much better craftsman and a carpenter skill set to install than vinyl siding does. Where this benefits you though is its longevity. So unlike vinyl siding that's hung loosely on the wall so that it can move back and forth, expand and contract, James Hardie is installed tight to the substrate and into the stud. So you have no movement, no expansion and contraction. Even really heavy winds will not blow James Hardie off the wall. And there's also a lot of moisture management that goes into a James Hardie installation. So like, for example, there's a house wrap that will go around your entire home. We're gonna flashing tape around all the window and door frames. All of the roof to wall applications get flashing. So Hardie is a really good sealed system on the home. It's not just the pretty siding that looks like wood. There's actually a lot of science and technology that goes into that installation in order to protect your home for the life of the home. So that's something to think about when we look at cost comparisons of Hardie siding versus vinyl. And in understanding that it's not just the product that maybe costs a little bit more, it's all the technology that's behind it that maybe you can't see every day. But it's been proven to last for a very long time, and also has the highest return on investment of any siding product. Partly I think that's because Hardie has a great look to it, but I also think it's because it's becoming more and more well known that it is the best protection system for the outside of your home.